today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Builderall leads for free using Facebook. So let's jump right into it. So as you guys know, there's two different ways you can get leads for your Builderall business. One is paid, the other one's free. You should probably be doing a little bit of both. But if you've tried Facebook ads and you've tried solo ads and you're just not getting any traction, getting organic leads is the best way to go. And Facebook is one of the best platforms to do it on. If you're not into making videos, or if you're having trouble ranking your videos in YouTube, you should be using Facebook to gain that traction. So first of all, you want to optimize your Facebook profile to get sales. If you just have a regular old profile where you're posting random videos or random sports stuff or whatever, that's not going to cut it. So you want to optimize your profile so when someone comes to your profile, they want to learn about your business. You can make a ton of money using your Facebook profile. You just have to, one, optimize, two, follow the right people, and three, engage with those people. Social media is made for engaging, and if you're not engaging, then you're not going to get likes and comments on your posts, and no one's going to see it. So yeah, let's just get into it. I want to give you guys 5 things that you should be posting on your profile. Once you get it optimized, once you have a good profile photo, a nice banner, if you're utilizing, and maybe you're utilizing this area right here for another photo, and once you're creating content, there are 5 things that you should be posting on your timeline. You want to be posting value and inspiration. Value could be a video. It could be written. It could be inspiration. It could be you type a quote up. You put it on your wall, and that's also value packed. Lifestyle photos. Maybe you and your family. Maybe you on vacation, or you just doing your everyday life. That's a lifestyle. Posting questions. That's going to get people engaged. It doesn't always have to be business related either. You could type, you could write something like, what do you like better, ice cream or cookies? Someone just did that the other day. What's your favorite concert? Stuff like that. It's going to get you to know your audience. Your audience is going to get to know you, and it's going to create a lot of engagement. Curiosity posts. Telling them a little bit about your business without them really knowing, so they want to know. They're going to type info, and that's when you're going to give them your link or provide more value than give your link. Posting results. If you have results, you want to post them every once in a while. I see too many people, they'll just post nothing but results. No one wants to follow somebody who that's all they're doing is posting results, especially if they're not yours. You just don't want to be this huge billboard for your offer, just promoting your offer. So you don't want to plaster Builderall all over your page. I wouldn't even put a link to Builderall anywhere on your profile, because what's going to happen is they're going to click on that. They're going to click on your link. Let's say they've never heard of Builderall. Now they're going to go research it, and they're going to find all the people that are doing really well in Builderall. They're going to follow them and not you. So you want to create curiosity. It takes time to build it up with your profile. You're not going to just start messaging people your links, because it just doesn't work. So you really want to get your profile optimized for sales. You want to be posting these 5 different things. If you're not sure what a curiosity post is, I have one here. So this is not for Builderall, but you could do the same thing with Builderall. This is, I belong to a program that actually shows you how to use your profile to make sales on Facebook. But let's say if you wanted to make it for Builderall, you could make a curiosity post. Type something up here. Request that they type info, and then send them the messages. A lot of people use Affiliate Marketing Worldwide. to post offers and get people to say info and stuff like that. That works, but a lot of these people don't have money on that in that group, and a lot of people are just posting junk and scams there. Start building a following, optimize your profile, make a curiosity post. When people type info on your post, now these people are asking info because they know you, not because it's just some random people in the Affiliate Marketing Worldwide group. These people are more likely to buy and be more interested in your offer because you've got to know them through posting daily, engaging, things like that. So, free organic traffic takes time, but it's probably the best traffic you're going to get. Mentioned earlier, Facebook organic traffic does work, and it especially works for Builderall. But if your profile doesn't look up to par, then it's not gonna work out. But you could easily revamp your profile in a matter of a couple days, and start adding people to your friends list that would want your offer, whether it's affiliate marketers, network marketers, those type of people. So if you guys aren't in Builderall yet and you're still looking, I do offer some awesome bonuses. I might as well show you what they are. So if you guys haven't joined Builderall yet and you're looking for somebody, I offer one-on-one mentoring, an affiliate marketing course, actually from 2 6-figure affiliate marketers. No one else is offering 2 different courses. Pre-made sales funnel, 60-day email sequence that you could use for any offer, a private Facebook mastermind group. Also, if you guys want to join my personal personal Facebook group, I'll leave a link in the description. But also, no one else is doing this, and no one else probably would. Your first solo ad, I'll pay for it. It's going to come out of my pocket, out of my money. I'll upfront $50 towards solo ads. Solo ads could be as cheap as 30 cents up to 70 cents per lead. I'm going to put $50 toward a solo ad for you if you join under my team. I'll also leave this website in the description. It kind of talks a little bit more about Builderall, and a link to join my team if you guys are interested. If you're already a member of Builderall somewhere else, obviously no big deal. But yeah, Facebook profile, you have to get it on point to start making sales and getting leads. I'm also going to leave a link to the program that I'm involved with. It actually teaches you everything that I'm talking about in depth on how to optimize your profile for leads and sales. It's a $47 one-time fee, but it's gonna get you on the right track to start making leads in as little as a week or two. It's all about engaging. It's all about doing stuff daily, like posting. It's super easy. People are gonna be coming to you looking to see what your offer is. They're going to be asking you what your offer is because you're going to get your profile perfect. So I hope you guys found this valuable. If you did, please like and comment. It helps me out a lot, of course. Please subscribe to the channel. All the links are going to be in this description. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon.